Welcome back to Loadbalancer.org. Today we will look at how to set up a Layer 4 virtual service. To create a new Layer 4 virtual service, head to Cluster Configuration, Layer 4 Virtual Services. Click Add a new virtual service, and you will be asked to fill out the following form. Label an arbitrary name that you will use to refer to the service. IP address, a free IP address in the network configured on the load balancer. Ports. This is the port on which the service will listen. Protocol. Choose protocol based on the protocol being used by the application you're load balancing. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, or UDP, User Datagram Protocol, or both. Or OPS, One Packet Scheduling, for the SIP connections. Firewall marks, for when traffic has been tagged in a firewall script. Then we have forwarding method. Direct routing. Ultra-fast local server-based load balancing. Recommended for high throughput, the return traffic goes directly back to the client, rather than via the load balancer. NAT. Network Address Translation. Fast Layer 4 load balancing that can be used in a cloud environment for high-performance solutions, usually used in 2-arm deployments. Tunneling. Similar to DR, but works across IP-encapsulated tunnels. This is useful for private networks. SNAT. Source Network Address Translation. Fast Layer 4 SNAT supporting both TCP and UDP. This gives a simple proxy mode of load balancing and does not require routing changes. Simply click Create or Update and your virtual service will be created. You can then go back into your service to make further modifications. To do this, click Modify. Now when you head back to the System Overview page, you will see your new virtual IP being displayed and marked as down. This is nothing to worry about. It will show as such until you add a real server. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover how to add a Layer 7 virtual service.